This is in an F-150, should be the same instructions in an Expedition. As you can see, we have the stock coin holder here. You can probably remove the coin holder just by getting a firm grip with a couple fingers in there and giving it a solid pull outward, and it will pop out. This is a little bit easier here in this vehicle because I've done it several times already. If you are having any trouble and you're not able to pull it out just with your fingers, then you can use a trim removal tool. You could also use a blade, a knife around the edges to pry it loose. Just be careful if you are using something other than a plastic trim removal tool. You might want to put a little bit of cloth around it if it's metal, just to make sure you don't damage the outside of the dash. Once you've removed it, then you will see that there is a wire harness plugged into the back. You can just go ahead and unclip that. Comes right out. And you can just set it over the edge. This is the piece. We will not be using this piece at all now that it is removed. Now you can go ahead and take out your new piece. One thing that you will want to note is to make sure you have the correct orientation. Look for the edge with the little ripple. You'll see there's just a little bit of a ripple in one corner, and that corner is going to go closest to the steering wheel, facing up. So put that part facing up closest to the steering wheel. We'll go ahead and peel off the back side of the tape. And there's several pieces of tape on here just to make sure that we get a good hold. Once you have peeled off the top and the bottom, that's primarily what's going to hold the new part in place. And I'll show you what the middle strip is for. You can just get your thumb on the corner and usually get this piece started. Get this middle piece off here. All right, and then what I like to do, we're not using this wire harness piece, but what you can do, it's probably not a big deal if it falls down and just hangs inside the dash, but just so you don't get a rattle or anything, I like to just stick it to the middle of that adhesive strip so it doesn't go anywhere. And then we're gonna just go ahead and line up and put that piece in place, and then just give it a few firm presses, especially where those adhesive strips are. It's industrial strength adhesive, so it should hold no problem once you've got it on there. And there you have it, much better.